Now what we got here is we got a 6500 watt Chinese diesel generator. This generator has a capacity of about 3 to 4 gallons of fuel, operating time about 12 to 14 hours. Now let me show you the control panel, and what you'll find is we've got the start, we've got the status, we got the oil alert lamp, we got the voltmeter, shows both 110 volt and 240 volt AC. We got you got your hour meter, you got your main circuit breaker, you got your duplex outlets, 110 volt AC, 120 volt AC, and you got your twist, 120 volt AC. Then you got your 240 volt AC. This is what I use to hook it up to the transfer panel in my house. And in addition, you got 12 volts DC, 10 amp. Now I got that hooked up to a utility light, so when the generator is running, I can just look out my window and I can see that that if the light's still on, then I know the generator's still running. Although if it quit, I guess I'd notice the lights go out in my house. Oh well, anyways, I got this utility light here. It makes it just handy to come in when you got to refuel, etc. Now, what I'm going to take you through is the proper starting procedure for this generator. Now, what I got to do is I got to grab myself the keys, and before I do that, show you the different components of this generator. Well, right here we got the alternator. These handles that pull up and allow you to pull the machine around. Coming around on the other side here, what we got is we got your battery, your 12 volt battery. You got your voltage regulator, and you got your exhaust right here. Now, this is where you fill up the generator with diesel, number 1 diesel fuel. You notice there's a strainer, very important, clean fuel, very important. This is the fuel gauge. This is indicating about 3/4 full. And you got your decompression lever right here in the event you want to use the pull start. But today I'm going to show you the proper procedures to start this up using the electric start. Now, what I got to do is I got a ventilation system here. This is a greenhouse louver fan, 120 volts AC. Now what I do is I got it hooked up to a plug, and I take it and I plug it into one of the duplex receptacles, 120 volts AC. Now take the key, put it into the run position, to the on position, reach in here, make sure the fuel is on. It's on now. You got to move this lever here to the run, like so. Now, what we do is you take it, and well, we'll just turn it on and see what happens. As it runs for a little bit, we'll see what happens.